October 2nd, 2023. 3 individuals detained following a foot pursuit. This footage runs 12 minutes, 28 seconds. No charges or agency have been confirmed. The analysis covers 3 legal issues: search incident to arrest, custodial strip search authority, and Miranda obligations during booking questioning.
Hands up behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. I'm gonna have one male 41, 2 of them fled towards Morford. Chris, go back up, Sarge. You have anything on you or no? Go to Sarge, he's back there. Just your phone? Yeah, I'm 10-4.
I have no weapons.
Okay, we got one outstanding. Last seen running towards Riverside.
Right.
John Day parking lot.
They were wearing all black. All I saw was black sweatshirt. One of them had writing on the back. Get on your knees real quick. Are you good or no?
Yeah, I'm good, bro.
Alright. You okay?
Yeah.
I'm gonna fucking pull up your pants for you.
Yeah. I'm sorry, bro. Oh, man.
Where are you guys coming from?
Really? Yeah, I'm currently living in Linda.
Alright. Can you get on your knees?
Yeah.
Stan, I'm 10-4. You want to back them up? Can you sit up? Stand up for me?
If I get in that curve, I could try to, like, push myself up.
You want to hustle your way over?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going to walk to my cars over here. How many people did you come with?
There's the 3 of us.
What car did you guys come in?
Oh, I came in the train.
I'm walking them to my car. They said that they all came from the train, so they should still all be on foot.
My pants is about to fall down.
Alright.
18, three
I got you.
little silver units en route to you for assistance.
Yeah, I'm good.
It's good now, thank you.
What's up?
I said it's good now, thank you.
You're good.
Yeah.
Right now we have 2. How many are we looking for?
Stan, I have 1 in custody. There should be 2 more.
Sarge has 1 also.
Oh. We're gonna go on the other side of my car, alright?
Alright.
Sure you good, man?
Yeah. What do you have on you? Just your phone?
My phone,
That's
my
it?
wallet.
Alright. Give me 1 second. Where's all your shit in here? What is this? It's nothing that's gonna stick or poke me?
That's my keys.
Alright.
Phone and wallet in there.
Alright. I'll put that in there. Have a seat, alright?
Alright.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright.
The officer asks, within the first minute, "Do you have anything on you?" No Miranda advisement precedes that question. Under Miranda versus Arizona, 1966. Officers must advise a custodial suspect of their rights before interrogation. The debate is whether booking questions qualify. Courts have split on this. The question, "Do you have anything on you?" sounds like safety protocol, but the answer directly implicates possession of contraband. That is incriminating by definition. The safest practice: advise rights before asking anything beyond name and date of birth. 30 seconds of advisement closes the door on suppression motions entirely. The arrest itself appears lawful. Radio traffic confirms a coordinated multi-unit response. United States versus Robinson. 1973. Covers what follows. Robinson holds that a lawful arrest authorizes a full search of the arrestee's person. No warrant. No additional justification. The pat-down and pocket search are clean. Illinois versus Lafayette. 1983. Extends the authority through booking. Officers may inventory every item on a detainee at intake. The officer did exactly that. Items counted aloud. Logged. Stored separately. That is textbook Lafayette compliance. No issue with the inventory phase.
Transporting one, male, 41, 3.
10-4, I still need that second road you sent there. Send out another red sheet, we'll come back to you. Good. The one county. Freaking route.
Around something. Alright, you can step out. Give me 1 second. You're already in this store right here. Right up here, make a left.
Male 41, still 2.
Right, straight.
Straight over here.
Yeah. Just stand in this hallway right here. Face away from it. Alright, you can come with me. How old are you?
27.
27. And then we're gonna go right in this room right here.
Open ease.
You have a seat. Gene,
Yeah.
is that your car?
Oh yeah, that's my man.
Okay. Well, you just have money in here?
Yeah, no, that's my man.
You stand up again.
Close it.
You have anything in your back pockets at all or no?
Not sure.
Let's take this off you real quick. Not bad. You good?
That's alright, yeah.
You have a shirt on under here?
Oh yeah.
You don't have anything else on you, right?
No.
Take the cuffs off of you real quick. I need you to take your shoes off and then also sweatshirt.
Alright.
Alright? Put that on your head. There we go. Alright. You just take off your sweatshirt. Are you good? I didn't hurt you or anything?
Yeah, no, I'm fine.
And then
Okay,
shoes. Yeah. You can take your shoes off, and I just need to make sure that you have.
Oh yeah.
Do these come off? Do you have shorts on underneath or anything?
No.
All right. Just take your socks off, and just make sure that there's nothing in there, and then you can put your sock back on. All right, you're good. You have what, boxers on underneath?
Yeah.
Okay.
ECU 123.10-4.
And just shake that out real quick.
122.10-4 and 18 falling into possible victims.
Because of the zippers, you're gonna have to take your pants off before you go in the cell, okay?
Yeah, from just
You good with that?
So I'm just gonna be
In your boxers? I can't let you in the cell with the zippers on your pants.
I'm gonna be the only one in that cell?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Alright.
If I'm the only one, yeah. So leave the shoes here?
Yeah, you can leave the shoes here, leave the sweatshirt here, and then I'm just gonna have to, you just have to take off your pants because of zippers.
Take more cell 11 New Jersey Range. Apartment number 01. Good.
You good?
Yeah.
That's water. You good?
Yeah.
That's water if you need it in the bathroom, alright? Alright. I'll be with you shortly.
At 11 minutes, 55 seconds, the most legally significant moment in this footage. The officer informs the subject his pants must come off before entering the cell. Reason: metal zippers. A zipper in a cell is a real safety concern. Potential weapon. Potential ligature. The penological interest is legitimate. The legal question is whether the procedure met constitutional standards. Florence versus Board of Chosen Freeholders, 2012, is the controlling authority. The Supreme Court held that strip searches are permissible upon admission to general jail population. No individualized suspicion required. But Florence did not eliminate procedural requirements. Bell versus Wolfish, 1979, still requires courts to balance institutional need against the detainee's privacy interest. Strip search best practices in many states. Statutory law requires three things: same-sex officer, supervisory authorization in writing, and a documented log. None of those three appear on camera. That does not prove they did not happen off camera. But in a civil lawsuit under Section 1983, the burden falls on the department to prove they did. Standing in underwear in a cell constitutes a strip search by most definitions. The 14th Amendment prohibits punishment before conviction, and humiliation is punishment. The officer did not humiliate the subject. Private setting. Calm tone. No unnecessary comments. Conduct was professional. The gap is institutional, not individual. The booking officer receives a B-. Arrest, pat down, and inventory were legally sound. The zipper justification is legitimate. The missing piece is documented procedural compliance. The subject receives a B+. Full cooperation. No resistance. Honest disclosure throughout. He asked one smart question before the most intrusive part of the search and got a straight answer. The department receives a C+. Not for what the officer did, but for what the institution failed to require. Strip search documentation protocols exist to protect both sides. When those records do not exist, a department cannot defend against a civil claim, even if the officer acted in good faith. Good faith does not survive a Section 1983 filing without paperwork. The lesson here is simple. Search incident to arrest is broad. Inventory authority is broad. Custodial clothing removal sits in its own category, and that category has rules. Departments that skip strip search documentation are not saving time. They are creating liability exposure for situations exactly like this one. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.